Hi, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an interactive input feed in Figma. So as you can see, I have my input box already. So I have the box for the default box, the box when you over, then when you're typing. Alright, so to just spice this typing box up, the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to create an insertion point, more like a cursor, right? The blinking cursor. So let me just do something. So I'm going to that's it, more like draw a rectangle. Yeah, so I'm just going to keep it. So let me see what's the size of this. This is 26. So yeah, I'm going to have this as black. um, Black. Then I'm going to keep it as say 2. I'm going to keep it as 1. Why 1 pixel? So the next thing I'm going to do is that now what I want this to do is that I want it to blink. All right, so for it to blink, it means that I'm going to have Figma interaction. So let me just go straight to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to duplicate this. All right, and I'm going to make it convert it to a frame, convert them to a frame respectively. So this is a frame. As you can see, this rectangle is inside a frame. This one is also enclosed within a frame, right? So I'll click on one of the rectangles and hide the rectangle. Now the frame is still there, right? But it's empty. Now we have the other frame here with the rectangle. So I'll select the two together, then come to the top here and create multiple components, right? So when I do that, they are both, parent components on their own. And I'll combine them as variant. So the two can be enclosed within a single component. So combine as variants. Now we have them enclosed within a component. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to go to my prototype, right? I'm going to, when uh, I'll link this to this, right? So it's going to be after delay. So let's say after 300 milliseconds, this turns to invisible. So after 300 milliseconds, this turns to this. And after 300 milliseconds, it also goes back to after delay. It also goes back to this, right? So it means that after a while, this disappears and turns to empty, and the empty one comes to life again. Do you understand? All right. So now that that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, then come to my text box and paste it. All right. So yeah, actually, now it's just within my text box. Do you understand? So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm also going to select the 3. All right, I'm going to do the same thing, create multiple components, then combine as variants. All right, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to say when you over on default, it changes to over. Then when you click on the over side, right, it changes to typing. So when you now click on the close button, it takes you back to do you understand? So when you over on this, it takes you to this. When you click on this, it takes you to this. So I'm just going to bring this to my box now so that we can see what it looks like. All right, so I'm just going to play. So let me just play. So when I play, this is what it looks like, right? So let me just over, right? Then I click, right? Then I'm just close. Thank you. Make sure you like, share.